At Poulin Auto Sales in South Burlington, we're built on commitment. And this month, you pay 0% interest. That's right. We're talking about 0% on pre-owned vehicles. Plus, every vehicle with a hang tag has been drastically reduced by up to $5,000 off original price. Poulin Auto Sales is the largest pre-owned dealer in Vermont with over 200 like-new vehicles, all as low as 0% financing and most backed by our 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Right now, trade in your vehicle and we'll give you up to 130% of NADA trade value. High interest rates can push vehicle costs through the roof, but at Poulin, $10,000 means $10,000. 15 means 15, because now for a limited time only, you pay 0% interest. That's 0% on pre-owned vehicles. Plus, get up to $5,000 off original price. Hurry to Poulin Auto Sales on South Shelburne Road in South Burlington, or click on PoulinAutoSales.com. Poulin Auto Sales, your pre-owned specialist. 0% APR financing on 48-month loan. Max credit of $15,000. Down payment required for NADA book value. Offers not in combination. 720 Beacon and NBT bank approval required on 08 models or newer.